In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do if your Robinhood account shows an account deficit and how you can resolve this issue quickly and easily. Let's start by understanding what an account deficit actually means on Robinhood. Essentially, an account deficit means that your account balance has gone negative and you now owe Robinhood money. This can feel alarming at first, but don't worry, there are clear steps you can follow to get your account back on track. So how does an account end up in deficit? There are a few common scenarios that lead to this situation. Sometimes it happens if you used unsettled funds in your account. Unsettled funds are those that have not yet cleared, and if you spend them before they're officially available, you could wind up overdrawing your account. Another situation is if a bank deposit you made was later reversed. This can happen if the bank finds an issue with the transfer, or if there aren't enough funds in your checking account. Similarly, a transfer can fail, but if you had already spent the money thinking it was available, your balance can go into the negative. Additionally, if you're a Robinhood Gold user, a gold fee might be charged to your account, and if there's not enough cash to cover it, that can also cause a deficit. Lastly, options trading can sometimes result in an assignment that costs more than you have available, putting your account into the red. If you find yourself in this situation, the first thing you'll want to do is figure out exactly what caused the deficit. If you're on a PC, open Robinhood and log into your account. At the top right corner, click on Account. Then, select History from the menu. This section will show you a detailed list of all the transactions that have affected your account. Look carefully through this list to identify which specific transaction caused the negative balance. For many people, seeing the phrase reversed bank transfer in their history is a common clue that this was the source of the issue. Once you've identified the cause, fixing the problem is usually straightforward. Return to the account section in Robinhood, and from there, click on Transfer. Within the Transfer menu, select Deposit. Now, you'll need to deposit enough money to cover the entire negative amount, bringing your account balance back into the positive. It's important to make sure you deposit enough to fully clear the deficit. After you've completed the deposit, you'll notice that your buying power on Robinhood will update automatically once your account deficit has been cleared. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can resolve a negative balance on your Robinhood account and avoid any interruptions in your trading. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out to Robinhood support if you have any further questions or run into additional issues.